Number 10. Rose left school when she was 17 years old and went to a college for a year to learn to type. She passed her examinations quite well and then went to look for work. She was still living with her parents. A lot of people were looking for typists at that time, so it was not difficult to find interesting work. Rose went to several offices and then chose one of them. It was near her parents' house. She thought, "I'll walk there every morning. I won't need to go by bus." She went to the office again and said to the manager, "I want to work here, but what will you pay me?" "We'll pay you £27 now," the manager answered, "and £30 after 3 months." Rose thought for a few seconds before she answered. Then she said, "All right, then I'll start in 3 months' time."
Now answer these questions. Number 1. Why was it easy to find interesting work? Number 2. Why did Rose want to work in an office near her parents' house? Number 3. Why did Rose go to one office again? Number 4. Whom did she talk to there? Number 5. Why did she want to start working there in 3 months' time?